Welcome to the channel, Pan-Range Case Studies. We hope that the case studies mentioned here will benefit you in your daily life. Understand how your kids learn. Most kids have the same speaking style as their parents. They have the same style and tone. You may be wondering why it is like that. The reason is that how you raise your children has a great impact on their personality. They learn almost everything from you. In other words, children imitate their parents. As a matter of fact, birth order, genetics, gender and temperament play an important role as far as shaping kids is concerned. This factor has a great impact on the interest, attitude and behavior of your kids. Let's find out more. You may have noticed that some of your kids are more forgiving, kind, generous and tolerant. This is because either you or your partner may have these qualities. Children tend to learn what they live. If your kids get affection, encouragement and gratitude from you on a daily basis, chances are that they will adopt these behaviors. As a matter of fact, this type of behavior becomes part of their life. Although they may behave differently in their adolescence, most of them go back to their fundamental values when they come of age. As a matter of fact, most children find their true identity when they have rejected it first. In the same way, when children learn to live with intolerance, mean-spiritedness, and criticism, chances are that they will have these attitudes throughout their lifespan. Apart from this, teachers and the school have a great impact on the attitudes and behaviors of children. But it is important to keep in mind that it can be difficult to change the values that children adopt at home. It's important to note that kids tend to reflect the behavior and attitude of their parents. Do you like what you see? We suggest that you keep an eye on the behavior, values and attitudes of your child, especially when they treat others. If your kids behave the way you want, you deserve a pat on your back, as you have done a great job raising your kids. On the other hand, if your kids don't behave the way you want, know that you need to work on the way you teach your kids. In some kids, a strange attitude may be due to their psychological state. For example, they may be tired or fatigued. But if they show weird behavior despite the fact that they have no underlying cause, know that you need to work on your behavior and attitude. Your kids may show weird behavior from time to time. But as a parent, it is your job to help them realize the importance of good behavior. You should be able to amplify their good qualities and hide their negative points. This is what is known as behavior management. You may want to make it a habit to sit down with your partner and review your own behavior and attitude. It will prove a great exercise with the passage of time. Your children are a reflection of you. Therefore, you may want to mark on your reflection first. Long story short, we suggest that you follow the tips given in this if you want to work on the behavior and attitude of your kids. Thank you for watching.